In this video, I want to show you how to migrate your unverified Pi balance to Mainnet. So to do that, come to this three line, click on it and click on Mainnet. This is my balance dashboard and here is my unverified balance. The unverified balance usually comes from your referral and security circle. Now let me click on this view theme. When it opens, you can see unverified balance. You can see the total Pi here, and you are at risk of losing this Pi if your referral and security team members do not finish their mainnet checklist by the grace period. Sometimes some of the members of your team might have done their KYC, but it will not reflect automatically in your unverified balance, which means you need to do something. And what you need to do is what I want to show you in this video. So let's go back. For you to move the unverified balance to Mainnet, this is what you need to do. Come down here to configure lockup rates. Now here you can see the configure lockup settings. So you need to adjust this configure lockup settings and save the settings. Now, if you are satisfied with the current settings, you can leave it. However, you can adjust it if you wish to. After you have adjusted it, scroll down and you will see increase commitment. Click on increase commitment to save the settings. By this, your unverified balance will be migrated in the next migration. So this is how to move your unverified balance to Mainnet. Thank you for watching.